Hi, this is Ken from the BB Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your RTC from a reformer to a mat so you can just use the trapeze or the Cadillac part. It's a three-step process, so it's really simple, so follow along and I'll kind of explain the whole thing to you. So the first thing you do, as you can see, this is all set up to be a reformer right now, is you first drop the risers by just pulling the pin out and pushing them down all the way. First step, right? Second step is to take off the shoulders, and the way you do that is just by, I'm going to first drop these on the floor, is by just turning this one turn and then sliding it forward and lifting it up. Okay? Same thing again, just one turn, sliding it forward, pull it up, and then it comes off. Okay? The next step is make sure all your springs are released, because you're going to push this all the way to the back. Okay? We're going to just put these on the floor for right now. Then the next thing is we're going to drop the foot bar. That's that part, okay? Next we're going to drop in the pads. Now the pads are actually different. They look the same from this side, but they are different. And I'll tell you how you can tell the reason why. This is the front pad, and the way you can tell that it's different is that these feet are a little bit farther from the front. And that's to fit over the front of the front edge of the reformer. So when you're putting it down, make sure the carriage is all the way back. You drop in the front part first, slide it so that the feet hit the front, and this comes level with the front of the reformer, okay? And then you get the back one. And the way you can tell the back one is, it's got this, what we call these mud flaps, okay? Now the mud flaps, they may come to you down like this. You know, when you get your reformer, they may not even, when you get your top, they may not even be attached. I like to put them on so that they're almost touching this rubber peg right here, okay? This one's already in place. What these are for is so it protects the mat and the reformer from the springs when you're using the push-through bar. So how this guy goes on, you turn it around so the mud flaps are at the back. You make sure they're all the way through. Slide it up against the front and drop it into place, and you're in good shape. The other thing to mention is that you'll see, and I'm going to take this out so you can see it again. You'll see that there's a little seam here in the middle, okay? The seams always go in the middle, and they always go inside facing each other, okay? So knowing that, getting the ropes out of here, we'll put this back on here. We'll make sure our mud flaps are out, and they're not, but maybe you can see them now, and you're ready to go. So there you go. That's the whole conversion. It's really simple, ready to go. Thanks a lot.